Hey guys, this is your next phonics video. This covers lessons 128 through 132. For syllables review, I have a list of words and we're going to kind of do it together. You have to tell me how many syllables are in that word. So it's just review. So the first one is fork. So to kind of clap the syllables out to figure out how many. So fork, that would just be one syllable. Okay, the next one, butter, that actually has two. And in order to figure that out, we usually draw a line. If we have double consonants, we draw a line between them, and then that would divide that into two syllables. Butter. All right, this next one, cucumber. So that is three syllables. All right, the next one, Antarctica. That's actually four. Antarctica. All right, next one, Africa. That would be three. And then the next one, the last one on this page, letters. Letters. So that would be two. All right, the next one, syllables review again. I have a few more. All right, the next one is at the top, carry. Carry. That would be two. All right. Golden. Golden would be two. Hamburger. That would be three. For America, America. That would be four. Try would just be try. That would just be one. And the last one on this one, curtain. Curtain would be two. All right. Now we have review for adding suffixes. I went ahead and put them in, but I'm going to kind of explain each one. All right, so for hop, if we wanted to add the ed, remember the O, it says ah, which is a short vowel. So if it's a short vowel, you have to double the consonant before you add the suffix. So you actually have to put an extra P and then add the ed, H-O-P-P-E-D. All right, for popping, same thing. O is short, the vowel is short, so you have to double the consonant before adding ing. So pop plus ing would be P-O-P-P-I-N-G, popping. All right, slide plus ing. Now here we hear slide. We don't hear that E, it's a silent E. If it is silent and you do not hear it, you have to take that off before you add the suffix. So sliding would be S-L-I-D-I-N-G. So no E and then just add the ing for sliding. All right. For roped, again, that is a long O, so we don't have to worry about adding doing double consonants. We don't hear that E, so we have to take the E off and then add the ed. So R-O-P and then add the ed, ed for roped. All right, for sunny plus ER, remember that goes back to our rule. If it ends in a Y and you're adding a suffix that begins with an E, you have to change the Y to an I and then add the suffix. So we have S-U-N-N, we change the Y to I, and then add ER for sunny-er. All right, funny, the same thing. It ends in a Y, and we have to add a suffix beginning with an E. We have to change that Y to an I. So F-U-N-N-I, and then add the suffix E-S-T for funniest. All right, now we have some more suffixes. Remember, when a root word ends with a Y and the suffix begins with an E, change the Y to I before adding the suffix, just kind of like we did those last two on that last slide. We're just going to do a couple more examples. So the first one is heavy. I want to change it to heavier. So I take the Y off and then add an I and then ER. Now we have heavier. All right, for heaviest, take the Y off, add an I, add EST. All right, now we have cloudy. All right, and then if I want to change it to cloudier, I take the Y off, add an I, and add ER. All right, for cloudiest, take the Y off, change it to an I, add EST for cloudiest. All right, same thing for funny. We have funny and then funnier. Take the Y, change it to an I, and add ER for funnier. And then for funniest, take the Y off, add an I, and then an EST for funniest. All right, here is air. We went over this a little bit, like air in care is A-R-E. A-R-E sounds like A-I-R, but it's actually spelled A-R-E. So in words, example words for dare, we have d-air, and we circle that A-R-E. Then we have scare. We have to circle the A-R-E for air, and then we also have to circle the SC because that's also a special sound. That says sk. So sk, air. Says scare. Okay. The next one is share. We have to circle the A-R-E for air, and we also have to circle the SH for sh, because that's also a special sound. So it's sh, air. All right, and the last one is air. Circle the A-R-E, and that's all that we have to circle there because there's no other special sounds. So dare, scare, share, and mare. All right, then we have ton, like in mountain. Ton sounds like T-O-N, but it's actually spelled T-A-I-N. All right, so the first one is mountain. We circled T-A-I-N, and then we also circled O-U because it says ow. It says ow. Ow, ton, mountain. All right, the next one is fountain. We circled the T-A-I-N. We also circled the O-U. So it's ow. The O-U makes the ow. Ton, T-A-I-N. And the other one is captain. We circled the T-A-I-N. So you would just say captain, captain. So mountain, fountain, captain. All has those endings in ton and T-A-I-N. All right, we have ABC order. Remember, you're looking at that first letter. If the first letter is the same, then you go to the second letter. So we have smile, giggle, and grin. All right, so in ABC order, the first one, G comes before S. So G comes before S, but we have two words that start with G. So we have G-I, so we have to go to the second letter, G-I or G-R. G-I would come first, so that would be the first word, giggle. Then we have grin. All right, and then the last one would be the last one we have, which starts with an S, and that would be smile. So giggle, grin, and smile. G-I, G-R, and then S-M. All right, the next one, we have phonics, history, and Bible. Which one comes first? All right, so for phonics, history, and Bible, we have P, H, and B. Which one would come first? In the alphabet, Bible comes first, and that has to be capitalized. So Bible, then H or P. Would be history would be next. Right, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and then I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P for phonics. Just say it in your head if you don't know which one comes next. All right, we have some other ABC order words. We have bring, broke, and brave. Now this one's a little different because we have all B's on the first letter. Then the second letter is BR, and now we have to go to the third letter. So we have BRI, BRO, and BRA. So we know that A comes first in the alphabet. So that's going to go first, brave. Then BRO or BRI. So HI would come next. So that would be bring, would be next. And the last one would be broke. Brave, bring, and then broke. All right, the next one, same thing. We have all S words and all A's as the second letter. So if all the first letters are the same and all the second letters are the same, if we're going to put them in ABC order, we have to go to the third letter. So we have S-A-V, S-A-I, S-A-M. All right, so first we would have S-A-I-L. So S-A-I-J-K-L-M. Here's an M word, same. And then S-A-V would go last. All right, and the last one, we have well, white, and win. We have to figure out which one goes first. So we have W-H-A, W-H-I, W-H-E. So we're looking at A, I, and E. So we know A would go first. So we have well. Then the second one, we have to see which one comes first, I or E. A, B, C, D, E. So win would go next. E, F, G, H, I. And then white would go last. So it's okay to say your letters if you need to do that to help you. All right, last thing, this is your application review. You're going to stop here and listen to the sounds you hear in the words that I say. I want you to write the special sounds on a scrap sheet of paper, and you do not proceed to the next slide until you're ready to check. So if you need to pause here and get a scrap sheet of paper, you can do that, or you can pause until you finish and then you can check your answers. All right, so for number 1, I want you to write tw, like in the word twin. Tw, like in the word twin. All right, number 2, isled, like in the word child.